India ki phajaraba staramu oiriba Manipur Da Tamthiba Makhalgi Hingsa Thoktuna Charangnaba Phivam amada Leiribasi Leipham Thoktabani haina Manipur Police ki DGP Rajiv Singh na phongdokkhre. Wafam asi Manipur Police Department na sinba chahi taruktagi taranithoi faubagi oiba ahanba state level Blue Clubs Baby Lake Boys and Girls amasung Mari Suba Master Boys and Girls Boxing Championship 2025 hongdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani. Kumal Lampak Sports Complex sa leiba boxing arena da pangthokiba thawramaduda DGP Rajiv Singh na hai Manipur gi luraba tanpam masida aikoina makhal makha kayagi khudongchadaba phibam mayok naraga chatli starasida thokliba chahi ani pharaklaba iranga siloishinduna mahusagi phibamda puraknaba Manipur Police ki personnel singna ayuk numidang thidana honari iranga sigi chauna chaitheng phangliba si angang amasung naha singni makoi singa se Manipur Police na tarai na lobanate madumagna championship asi pangthokpada mahakna Manipur Police ki makok thongba muina chauna thodang lauribani housing Manipur da lana lamjing kraba naha kaya leire makoi singadu aikoi gi mitna uraba ngaktani madumagna adumakpu lamdam asigi tungi yumbiral oihogadaba ngasigi mirolna tungda haurakadaba mirol apaba amasung achumba lambida lamjing nabagidama Manipur Police na honabagi sarukama oina championship asi pangthokpani aikoigi pandamde haurakliba mirol singase kunaigi achangba mi amamam oihanbani Maramdi Manipur gumba phajakraba state amada tamthiba muongda hingsa gi thodok thokpa amasung charangnaba phibam amada leiribasi Leipham Thokte hauzik oiriba Manipur gi phibam athuba matamda loishinba chungani sana khonaba haibasina haugalakliba nahasing achumba maikaida punabagi lambi ama oiribani hainasu DGP Rajiv Singh na makhatana phongdokhi Manipur Amateur Boxing Association maba amasung All Manipur Football Association Amphagi Mityeng Makhada Sinba Championship adu hongdokpagi thoramda mabagi President N Remote Kumar Amphagi Acting President DB Kwar amadi General Secretary Jyotirmor Roina chingba miyoi kayana President Member singwina saruyakhi
Manipur has been witnessing a lot of problems in this troubled times for the last nearly 2 years. We have been here fighting day in and day out, trying to bring normalcy and peace in our beautiful state of Manipur. The youth, the child has been the most affected. We are really concerned about this. These days, we have a lot of misguided youths in the society. All of us are seeing it with our own eyes. This is our attempt from the Manipur Police to make the future generations be as productive as possible. This is our way of trying to build our future generations in the right way as it should be, because a beautiful state of ours like Manipur does not deserve the violence and the mayhem which it has gone through. We need to correct it, and as soon as possible